students for Science Under Stars. Welcome everybody. A quick announcement. If you park, as long as you park in this complex, in front of the gate or by the building, you're fine. We won't tow the car. The university won't tow the car. So if you park over there by the entomology collection, that's totally good as well. Okay, so for our October event, we have Allison Hutt, who is a fifth-year PhD candidate at the Department of Integrated Biology at UT Austin, and then she's going to tell us all about resurrection plants. Welcome, Allie.
I'm going to do a whole bunch of bits that are, Halloween today, so get ready for that. But yeah, thanks for coming to the talk. I'm really excited to tell you guys about resurrection plants. Okay, so we'll just start out with a little bit about me. So I'm a plant bio PhD student at UT. Also, sorry, can you guys hear me in the back? Am I talking into the microphone okay? Get some thumbs up around? Awesome. Okay, love it. Thank you. Okay, so plant bio PhD student. My research interests are around like ecology, evolution, and genetics, so I apply those things to plants. And I've kind of always loved weird biology, so a little bit about my journey into science. Growing up, I actually was really obsessed with animals and collecting roly-poly bugs, and I loved like jellyfish and weird birds and all the like freaky weird deep sea animals and stuff like that. And then when I got to undergrad, I started working with plants, and I kind of cured my plant blindness and started being really fascinated by the diversity and different abilities that plants have. Did my undergrad at Indiana University. I moved to Austin in 2017 after I did an internship through the National Science Foundation here at UT, and then worked as a technician here at the field lab for a little bit. So people who did the tour know there's a ton of research that happens here. So I worked here for a little while, and then I got the opportunity to start a PhD working on Tripogonella spicata, which is the resurrection grass a lot of you guys got to check out over at the table there, and I'll show you a little bit more about that. So first of all, just a quick overview of what I'm going to talk about today. So first of all, we'll go through some scary plant honorable mentions because I couldn't really resist the opportunity to show you guys some other cool Halloween-y sorts of plants. And then we'll talk about what is a resurrection plant, and you kind of have a clue happening here. So this is Tripogonella spicata rehydrating. This is a time lapse of about 24 hours. So we'll talk about some ecology, some of the evolutionary origin story for these plants, and how are they managing to come back from the dead, quote unquote. And then I'll show you guys some local species you should be able to go and find next time you're out in that type of habitat, taking a hike. So okay, we're gonna start with a little game, all right? So you say, how well do you guys know your scary plants? So I'm gonna give you a slide like this, and then you guys can just kind of call out if you know what the plant is, and you can get bonus points. You have to keep track of your own points, but you'll get bonus points if you know like the species name, the Latin name for it. So to start off, does anybody know this plant? You can just call it out if you think you know it.
Audrey.
It's Audrey too. Thank you. Yes, that is Audrey too, from the Little Shop of Horrors. She's an icon. We love her. Okay, so you guys might be hard to stump. We're going to start easy, and I'm going to see if I can stump you guys. Okay, so what about this plant? Maybe a little bit of an inspo for Audrey too. Venus flytrap. Does anybody know the Latin name, the species name? No. Okay, now you're right. It's Venus flytrap. It's Dionea muscipula, which is hard to say, so it's all right. You don't want to say it? Okay, cool. All right, what about this one? Anyone seen these before? Pitcher plant. Okay, this is going to be tough. I don't know if I'm going to be able to send you guys, but yep, so this is the tropical pitcher plant, Nepenthes. I like how creepy they look. I like when they have the little fang-looking things going on. Okay, cool. So here's one more